What if I told you there's a meme coin backed by the Binance ecosystem, connected to CZ himself, and it's already up more than 20% in a day? Yeah, I'm talking about Giggle Fund Coin, and after looking at the data, I genuinely think this could be a 100x play. I've been watching the movement around this project closely, and honestly, I think it has all the signs of being one of those rare meme coins that could go 100x if momentum continues the way it's been going. Let's break down why I think that. First off, let's talk about the numbers. Giggle has been showing really strong price action. In the last 24 hours alone, it's up over 20%, which is already impressive. But what's even more interesting is that the 7-day and 30-day gains are much higher. That tells me this isn't just a random pump that fades away the next day. It looks like part of a longer, sustained uptrend. When you see a coin performing well across multiple timeframes like that, it's usually a sign that investors are starting to build confidence in the project. Now, one of the biggest reasons behind this growing confidence is what's been happening with exchanges. Binance and KuCoin both recently listed Giggle for perpetual futures trading, and that's a huge catalyst. Binance introduced Giggle futures on October 9th with up to 50x leverage, and that alone attracts a wave of new traders and investors. It gives the coin more visibility and makes it accessible to people who prefer trading with leverage. On the same day, KuCoin also added Giggle to their futures platform. So now you've got two of the biggest exchanges in the world giving this coin massive exposure. When that happens, volume and liquidity almost always increase, and with it comes stronger price action. But it doesn't stop there. There's a very interesting connection between Giggle and CZ, the founder of Binance. Another thing that's been driving the price up is what's called liquidity rotation. A lot of traders and even some whales have been moving their profits out of other tokens like Aster and putting them into Giggle. You can see it all over social media, traders talking about rotating their funds into Giggle because they believe it's the next big mover. When that kind of rotation happens, it usually brings a second wave of retail investors who follow the trend. And that kind of movement helps fuel the momentum even more because it's not just small investors buying, there's bigger money coming in behind it. When you put all of this together, the picture becomes clear. Giggle has strong price momentum. It's getting major support from exchanges like Binance and KuCoin. It has a connection to CZ and the BNB ecosystem during what he's calling meme coin season. It's backed by a positive story through Giggle Academy that gives it a charitable purpose. There's liquidity rotation happening, meaning more money is flowing in, and the technical indicators are showing a bullish setup. All of these factors are combining to create the perfect environment for a potential 100x meme coin. Now, of course, we have to be realistic. Giggle is still a meme coin, and that means it's going to be volatile. Prices can move fast in both directions. But the thing that makes this one stand out is that it's not purely running on hype. There are real catalysts behind it: exchange listings, strong narratives, and community-driven growth. That's what separates a short-lived meme coin from one that can sustain momentum and actually build long-term value. If you're following this project, it's worth paying attention to how the trading volume behaves over the next few weeks. If activity continues to rise and the sentiment on social media stays positive, we could easily see Giggle continue to climb and attract even more investors. I think this one still has a lot of potential left in it. Of course, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. Meme coins are unpredictable, and while the rewards can be huge, the risks are just as real. But if you've been looking for a meme coin that has hype, exposure, strong community support, and a positive message behind it, Giggle Fund Coin definitely deserves a spot on your watch list. Next one. Giggle Fund, Giggle, is a novel cryptocurrency that merges meme culture with philanthropy, presenting unique opportunities for traders and investors alike. Built on the robust infrastructure of the Binance Smart Chain, this token aims to make a meaningful impact by supporting Giggle Academy, a platform dedicated to providing free, innovative education globally, predominantly targeting underserved communities. Unlike typical meme coins driven by speculation, Giggle stands out with its commitment to educational empowerment, thus creating a new narrative within the crypto ecosystem. The cornerstone of Giggle's appeal lies in its business model, which ensures that every transaction contributes to a cause. A 5% trading tax on all transactions is channeled directly into educational initiatives via Giggle Academy, raising over $1.3 million in donations to date. This model has captured the attention of traders, as well as those with a philanthropic bent, leading to a substantial market cap of $32.7 million and vigorous trading activity, as evidenced by a 24-hour trading volume of approximately $78 million. In terms of tokenomics, Giggle has a fixed total supply of 1 million tokens, all fully circulating. This transparency ensures traders are well informed, particularly about price volatility, which has seen the token's value range between $18 and $38 in just a single day. Unique features set Giggle Fund apart from other tokens, notably its transparent donation mechanisms and its alignment with Binance educational objectives. This connection not only elevates its credibility but also distinguishes it from competitors in the charity-oriented crypto sphere. Trading Giggle on platforms like CoinUnited.io offers distinct advantages, including lower fees and tailored trading tools, essential given the 5% tax structure. With advanced strategies, real-time price alerts, and staking options offering up to 55% APY, CoinUnited.io is a compelling choice for traders seeking both profit and purpose in the crypto market. In the quick-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, mastering fundamental analysis can be the key to thriving with assets like Giggle Fund, Giggle. On platforms such as CoinUnited.io, traders can find success by finely tuning their strategies to both fundamental and technical indicators. Here's a detailed look at how you can craft a profitable approach. Technical analysis forms a crucial part of any trader's toolkit. For Giggle, key metrics such as price trends, relative strength index, RSI, moving averages, and volume analysis are indispensable. These tools help to identify entry and exit points. When it comes to fundamental indicators, traders should pay close attention to factors like adoption rates, developer activity, transaction volumes, and the number of wallet addresses. For example, a spike in Giggle Fund's project developments or an increase in its ecosystem initiatives can signal major price movement.